Technicians may sometimes be required to record meter readings while completing preventive maintenance checklists. FacilityBot makes this easy by allowing meter readings to be recorded as part of a checklist. To use this feature, log into FacilityBot Manager portal, navigate to Settings, then Checklist. Click on the plus new button to create a new checklist. Note that checklists can be created from a blank template or using a checklist template from FacilityBot's template library. Let's try creating a checklist from a template. Select a checklist from the public checklist library. Scroll down and click on plus Add New Row to create a new row. Type a description and select meter reading as the check response. Select the meter you want to create the meter reading for. Once done, click Save and Approve to save the changes. Let's try completing the checklist using the FacilityBot mobile app. Scan the checklist QR code to create an ad hoc checklist and click on Update Checklist. Complete the checklist as appropriate and enter the meter reading. Enter a remark if applicable. Once done, click on Complete to save the changes. Once the checklist is completed, FacilityBot will log the changes and automatically update the meter reading. To view the new meter reading, let's go to Features, then Meters. Mouse over on the meter we just create the reading for and click on the new meter reading icon. The meter reading history will be updated with the new meter reading from the checklist.